Yes, now look what I found when I went looking for white vinegar. I cleaned my distiller with white vinegar, and it cleans it absolutely beautifully, absolutely brand new, seeing how dirty it is. Anyway, I went to the shops to go and get some vinegar to clean my distiller. Came across that they didn't have any white vinegar, and the white vinegar is very cheap, it's only pennies to buy. But I noticed it wasn't that simple to get, so I had to shop around for it. But they didn't have the white vinegar, but they had white vinegar spray, so that will do absolutely perfectly. This stuff here is a natural way of cleaning things, and I would really very much like you to see this, the before and after. So this is the before of spraying my distiller and putting water in it. So let's see what happens. So now I've cleaned it out. Usually I use white vinegar and maybe a bottle, small bottle of whole bottle of white vinegar. Pour it in all around the sides and fill it up with water and heat up the thing. And usually, you know, as soon as it's heated up, it actually completely cleans out the distiller. I would like to show you now. I've cleaned my distiller. I would like to show you how it's cleaned up with the vinegar spray. I didn't mind it. I think it could have done better with just a pure white vinegar in a bottle. But I'll show it you anyway, how clean it's got. That's how clean I've managed to get it. And I've had it a year. And I'm about to heat up and put some water on now. Because it's lovely and clean, and now it'll be giving me beautiful pure water. And I just thought I'd let you know how I cleaned it on a regular basis. And I recommend everybody should have a distiller, you know, because it's a cheaper way of having beautiful water, good water in your body. Considering we're about 70% water, it stands to reason that we should be drinking good water. Anyway, thank you very much for viewing. Love and light, and I'll catch you on the next video.